I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. Welcome back, it's Lou Crypto here, back with another Vechain update. We take a look at cryptos every single weekday on this channel, so make sure you do like, subscribe and comment to boost this awful algorithm. Now, when I look at this Vechain chart, wow. To me, just wow, honestly. I really love this base that it's creating. For you Elliott wavers out there, I'm not too much focused on the exact waves. And this is actually going to invalidate Elliott wave. But they say that wave 1, which we see over here at the top, and wave 4, which is this correction, should not overlap. Well, there you go, it's overlapped, as we can see, because this green box signals that this was the top of the wave 1 and this the bottom should be the bottom of wave 4. We should not overlap. Well, there you go, overlap. So this is why Elliott wave does not actually matter, because this actually means that we should not get a bull market if Elliott wave, you know, if we took the rules. So yeah, I just don't look at Elliott wave, guys, because yes, it's simply things like this. You always have arguments. They can overlap. They can't overlap, they can't. Everyone just fights with each other. And to be honest, when you're trying to count waves, yeah, if you go on the lower time frames as well, sometimes there's more than 5. So I'm not really too focused on them. You can just say wave 1, wave 2 correction, wave 3, wave 4, and we're missing that larger wave 5. But wave 4 should not cross over with wave 1. And when that happens, you invalidate wave 5. But of course, let's see if that's going to be the case. For me, I see this chart as a beautiful chart simply because it's holding that as support, and where we once lost it and reclaimed it and now had this nasty old dump down to it with this nasty wick over here. But yeah, still holding it as support, and the following week actually engulfing that red candle. Can we see the body of the greens eating that one? If I place that on top, copy paste, you're not going to see the red because the green is larger. So this invalidates the downside. This means that we're looking for a bullish reversal over here to head back to our range high of 3.3 cents. This is what I envision Vechain to be doing. But not only that, you see this massive gold box over here between 6 and 9 cents. I do believe that we will be coming up to 6 cents as long as we maintain this green support over here, which is the lowest point being 2 cent psychological level. Sorry, pardon me, guys. As long as we maintain this support, I anticipate that this area of 6 cents is, oh gosh, now I need to go through all the emojis. We'll leave it there, unless I can type it in. No, I cannot. But essentially, I don't know why they changed that. This is acting like a magnet over here, guys. We're going to be getting pulled towards this, especially once we push through our resistance. Why? Because look at the next resistance. It's right there. This was our last high, so we should be going back to that. So that's why if we have bottomed out, which I would be led to believe, because we created our bottom over here, we lost it, reclaimed it, went to the range highs, and now come back down, confirmed its support. So for me, all I need to see is follow through. The moment we close above our range high of 3.3 cents, I'm going to believe Vechain is going to double, maybe even triple. Okay, so anywhere from current price, which is 2 cents, but I believe once you get above this, we will still double or triple. So from 3 to 6, or from 3 to 9 cents. This is what I envision for Vechain going forward. The signs that we're seeing down here are early signs of a bull market, because getting above the 20 is a very hard thing to do. The fact that we came back down, confirmed it as support, is a beautiful statement. The closer we zoom in, the more that we see, we see that price lost the 20 with that nasty candle, but reclaimed it with the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. If you want me to teach you this all step by step, I have a pre-recorded video course for you people that don't have time to do one-to-one mentorship, and that's 6 hours long. So you can do that 1 hour a day and you're done in a week, but I'd recommend doing it twice. It's got all the info you need from a complete novice. You don't need to know anything. Complete beginner that doesn't even know what an uptrend is, that is fine. If you're advanced, then you can also take it, but there's another option which is more personalized to your issues, and that's the one-to-one mentorship plan. That's 10 hours long. Yes, that's 10 hours of one-to-one help with me. Of course, not in a row. We'd have 10 1-hour sessions over a couple months, and once you have done these, you have all the information you need to become a self-sufficient trader. Then it's on you to actually put this all into practice and make sure you're following the plan. But going back to Vechain over here on the daily now, Yeah, for some charts it doesn't have this, but that's fine. All we need to do is measure from the low to the top, and it's telling us we should be coming back down into this golden area, which again was green because it was just our key area of support, and then the golden pocket also lining up with it is beautiful. So we have confluence, just further confirmations. I'm going to be making an ebook that very cheap, that's going to have some strategies that I came up with myself, chart recognition, chart pattern recognition, Japanese candlestick recognition, but also all these terminologies that some people don't actually understand. I'm making a little ebook so you have all these things to follow along with my charts. But again, if you want to take action a little bit further, you can join my community through the course or the mentorship plan, and with that mentorship plan you get the course and the chat and the 10 hours of one-to-one help with me. Private message me over in my link tree, top right corner or bottom underneath this in the description or comment section. Is pinned at the top. Head over to my link tree, you'll find my Instagram and my Twitter. Follow me there and message me over there. You can also find me the Buy Me a Beer link. There is more info if you don't want to talk to me. There's more info on the Buy Me a Beer link about my courses. If you just want to buy me a beer, you know what to do, guys. But yeah, we actually had someone do that for the first time, so that was really cool to see. He said, do you mind if I send you a joint instead? I found that quite funny, but no, beers will do for me. But over here, we're just simply retracing back down to here, which is what's been the case. We've come back down to the golden pocket. Now we need to go ahead and break this high for continuation. I can actually prepare you for some targets to the upside. However, Vechain didn't dump to hit on many charts, but we can see, regardless of that, it's telling us to eventually expect this golden box up here as long as we can push through this newly formed golden pocket. So a little bit, well, that's where we are right now, 2.5 cents. So getting above 2.5 cents is going to signal that we should see 6 to 9 cents. And if we can hold this green box, which we currently are, doesn't mean that we will continue to do so. But at the moment we are, so without any signs of us being below, I'm going to actually just believe that we are going up, because it's showing me that this area is being held and we're bouncing from here, so it's confirming that it was held. So all we need to see is follow through in breaking above the 200 moving average and the 55 moving average over here on the weekly time frame at 3.3 cents, and this is where I do believe we will head higher. I can either measure from the top here to the bottom, and it's saying pretty much the same things in that we will eventually come up to these targets. You just need to hold the criteria, and that is holding above 2 cents at a minimum. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You know what to do if you want to take action on the course or the one-to-one mentorship lessons. There's only 2 slots for the mentorship, so if you do want to take action, please do so ASAP. Thank you guys. There's a link tree in the comment section or the description down below, or even in the top right corner. You can just click it over here somewhere, and yeah, it can take you to my crypto Twitter, Instagram, where you can private message me. If you want to actually just take action on the course or the mentorship without talking to me, head over to my Buy Me a Beer. Now, I'll bring up a page looking like this. You can even get one single mentorship session anyway, but all the details that you need here, you get 10 sessions, and here you get 30 plus videos, 6-hour course, and yeah, all the information you need is over here.